How to remove clock on Android's lock screen. So if you want to remove clock from your lock screen and leave an empty screen, I'm going to show you how you can do this. Let's get started. Firstly, we're going to open up the settings. From here, scroll down until the lock screen and AOD. Click on that. And then scroll all the way down to find the blue option, Edit Lock Screen. Or as another option, you can just press and hold your current lock screen, then enter your PIN code, password, or pattern to unlock customizations, and you will see the same screen as I see right now. Now, as you can see, I have this clock, so what we can do is we can tap on it. And on some devices, if you click on Style, you will see option No Clock in this list. But as you can see, I don't have this option, so what we can do in this case is we can swipe left on the color palette, and I'm gonna make it black. So I'm gonna make the time black like that. Now I'm gonna drag the corners of my clock to resize it. And then I'm gonna drag it to the left, to the black color on my wallpaper. Now I'm gonna tap on widget and remove this one as well. And as you can see, we still have this clock, but we don't see it anymore. If I drag it here, you'll see it, but if I drag it here, you won't be able to see it. So let's tap Done to save changes. And with this way, you can remove your clock if the feature No Clock in the style is not available for you either. So you can just do this little trick. And now I'm going to save the changes. And as you can see, my lock screen is like totally empty. And that's it. Don't forget to hit subscribe to see more useful content.